You've seen astronauts float weightless above Earth. You've seen rockets pierce the void of space. But here's a question that should terrify you. Have you ever seen what's at the bottom of your own ocean? We've mapped 100% of the moon's surface. We've photographed the surface of Mars in high definition. But we've only explored about 5% of our own ocean. That means 95% of the deep sea, right here on our planet, is completely unknown. In space, the danger is simple. No oxygen, extreme cold. But we understand it. We can predict it, prepare for it, engineer around it. The deep ocean doesn't play by rules we understand. At just 1,000 meters down, the pressure is enough to crush a submarine like a soda can. At the deepest point, the Mariana Trench, the pressure is over 1,000 times what you feel at sea level. That's the weight of 50 jumbo jets pressing on your body. And here's the part that should really unsettle you. Light cannot survive past 1,000 meters. Below that is called the midnight zone. Total, permanent darkness. No sunlight has ever touched it. Not once in the entire history of Earth. In space, if something goes wrong, mission control sees you. Every second is tracked. In the deep ocean, once you pass a few hundred meters, radio signals don't work. No GPS, no communication. You are, quite literally, more alone than an astronaut on the far side of the moon. We've identified over 240,000 marine species, and scientists believe there could be up to 2 million more we haven't even discovered. Some of those creatures live in trenches so deep, they've evolved bodies built to survive pressure that would instantly kill anything on land. Only 13 people have ever reached the deepest point of the ocean. Over 600 people have been to space. Think about that. It is statistically rarer, and by many measures, more dangerous, to reach the bottom of our own planet than to leave it. So why does space feel more terrifying? Because we've seen it. Thousands of photos, films, documentaries. The ocean's true depths stay hidden, out of sight, out of mind. But the truth is, the most alien environment in our solar system might not be millions of miles away. It might be a few kilometers beneath your feet right now. Here's the twist. NASA has spent decades studying the deep ocean, not because it's a distraction from space exploration, but because the conditions down there are the closest thing on Earth to alien environments, like Europa's icy ocean moons. In other words, to prepare for space, we had to face the ocean first. So next time you look up at the stars and think about how vast and dangerous space is, remember, there's an entire alien world beneath the waves, closer than any rocket could ever take you, and we've barely begun to understand it. If this made you rethink what's actually the scariest place on Earth, hit like, subscribe for more deep dive mysteries like this one, and comment below. Which one actually scares you more, the ocean or space?